Hey everybody, what's going on? Fabian Calvo, author of the coming book, The Resourceful Real Estate Investor, and founder and president of the Node House LLC. Here with another really important real estate tip, really a tip for any type of investment asset class that you're looking to get into, which is your entry and exit strategy. Here at the Node House, if you're new to what we are talking about or what we feel is the outlook in the real estate market, we believe there's opportunity in the real estate market in any cycle, right? So we believe in the Austrian School of Economics, and they talk about the business cycle. So, there's ups, there's downs, there's all kinds of different cycles within any asset class. And we believe you can monetize and make money in any one of those. In fact, Rothschild, Lord Rothschild was quoted and is famous for his saying that when there's blood in the streets is when you want to be buying. And I'm paraphrasing somewhat, but that's what the market is right now, right? Or think how it was a year ago, where, most people were panicked. They didn't know what to do when it came to real estate. Everybody thought real estate was so bad. I mean, for a while, a few years back, I was even included in that group. But now I realize that it really doesn't matter. Real estate just is what it is. It's just what you decide to make of it, and making sure that you have the right team, like we talked about the other day. Also making sure that you are evaluating the certain entry points and the certain exit points. And some of those, strategies are long-term holds or short-term holds, or maybe you just flip. It doesn't really matter what you decide to do. All of them work, but all of them take different, different things that you're going to be applying, right? They all have different strategies within each exit and entry strategy, and you got to just figure out which is the best for you. I mean, if you're a little bit younger, perhaps buying and holding is a good one, but I can tell you many times the buy and hold is not all that it's cracked up to be if you're a long-term holder. But again, it just depends on you and what your strategy is, right? Entry strategies are important because it depends what market do you want to invest in. What is it, just your little neighborhood you want to farm, or do you want to do virtual? Do you want to do virtual due diligence? Do you want to be in markets across the country like the Node House does? Is that the type of opportunities you want to explore? I believe in this market in the 21st century, as we have the shattering of the old economic paradigm. The new economic paradigm allows you from your laptop, from your iPad, anywhere in the world to be able to monetize real estate deals really anywhere you're at. These principles apply whether if you're in Antarctica, you can roll them out in Chicago and in Florida. Again, it really doesn't matter because most people are online, or they're used to dealing, especially now. Wall Street Journal reporting that China is now a major player in the U.S. market, along with Canadians as well. So people are used to dealing with out-of-country buyers. Why wouldn't they be used to dealing with out-of-state buyers? So what's your entry strategy for the asset? How are you going to get your financing? What kind of financing? What does that even look like? Are you going to just be paying cash? Are you going to be working with a partner? What market will you be investing in? What kind of properties are you looking to invest in? Multifamily, residential, office. You see where I'm going here, right? There's a lot to this. Instead of just saying, well, I'm going to start investing in real estate, you really want to really think, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses, and how they apply to every different asset class within the asset class that is real estate, if that makes sense. And then lastly, your exit strategy. I mean, I can tell you right now, there's a lot of people that all of a sudden are implementing a rapid exit strategy that was, hey, tax capital gains rates are going up. I better exit right now. And, that's not going to happen. Real estate, one of the things that make it not so great, and perhaps it is great, I guess it just depends how you look at it, is that it's not a liquid asset. I mean, yes, it depends on what you buy. If you buy it at the right price, you could always sell it at a price where you could move it quickly. But it's not something that's going to happen really fast. Although I say that, because sometimes it can happen really fast. But you get my point, right? It's not like I can call up a stockbroker and say, sell now. So what's your exit strategy? How long do you want to hold? And, and make sure that when you go in, and perhaps you may have partners, what are their exit strategies? So you want to make sure you're all aligned together. That's my tip for the day. I'm Fabian Calvo, president and founder of the Node House. Also, remember to sign up for our newsletter. It's going out tomorrow, thenodehouse.us, thenodehouse.us. Just fill out the contact page, and that'll tell them you're interested in the newsletter. They'll put you down. If you like the newsletter, if you're getting it already, Make sure you share it with your friends and whoever else you might think is interested in getting this information. Thanks for watching. I'm out.